A micro-high-speed centrifuge is a critical tool for separating particles from solutions based on their size, shape, and density. Understanding its fundamental principles is essential for optimizing its use in various applications. Basic operating principles: centrifugal force. The key principle is the application of centrifugal force generated by the rotation of the centrifuge rotor. This force acts outward from the axis of rotation, causing particles to move away from the center. Density-based separation. As the centrifuge spins, denser particles are forced towards the bottom of the tube, while lighter particles remain closer to the top. This separation is crucial for isolating specific components from complex mixtures. High-speed, micro-high-speed centrifuges can operate at speeds exceeding 100,000 revolutions per minute (RPA), enabling precise separations and short processing times. Temperature control. Many models feature temperature control to maintain the stability of heat-sensitive samples during centrifugation. Micro volume capacity. Designed for handling small volumes of liquid, these centrifuges are ideal for molecular biology, genetics, and other fields requiring small sample sizes. In summary, the basic principle of a micro-high-speed centrifuge relies on centrifugal force to separate particles according to their density. Its high-speed capabilities and temperature control make it indispensable in modern research and clinical settings. For more information about our micro-high-speed centrifuges, or any questions regarding their operation, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.